In this demonstration, we look at creating and managing binary large objects and tables from within Visual Studio. First thing we need to do is launch up Visual Studio. So we'll just highlight the icon, and this will then launch up our Visual Studio. We'll select Sign In. And then what we need to do is just enter our username and password. So now I'm logged in. All I'm going to do here is I'm just going to come to File. And then within File, what we're going to do is we're going to go for New. Within New, we're going to go for Website. We're going to go for Visual C#. We're going to go for our ASP.NET empty website. Just for our web location, we're going to ensure the file system is selected. We're now just going to browse through. And all we're looking for here is just on my E drive. We're just looking for our demo files. And in demo files, we're looking for mod06. And within mod06, what we're going to click on here is we're just going to go for our website folder. I'm just going to modify that by sticking a 2 on the end. And we'll select Open. And yes, I do want to create this folder. At this point here, we'll just select OK. As we can see, it's just created our project. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to add an existing website. So all I'm going to do is come up right up the top level here, Solution Website 2. I'll just right click, come to Add. And under Add, all I'm going to do here is add an existing website. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to go for Website 1. And then once we've selected Website 1, we'll just select Open. And we'll just remove Website 2. We don't need this anymore. So we'll just right click, and then all we'll do is we'll just remove. We're happy with this, so we'll select OK. Now what we'll do is we'll just go to our package manager. So we'll just come to our view button here, our view menu. And within our view menu, what we're looking for here is we're just looking for other windows. And under other windows, what we're going to do at this point here is we're just going to go for our package manager console. Next thing to do here, we're going to restore the packages residing in our packages.config file. So we're going to do that from the PM prompt. I'm going to do that by typing in update -package, then space -reinstall. As you can see now, it's now going through and just restoring everything. So all we'll do at this point is we'll just pause the presentation, return back once the restore is complete. So as we can see now, we've successfully installed our Windows Azure storage to the website 1. Next thing to do now is just build our website. So all we're going to do at this point here is right click on website 1. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to build our website. So we'll highlight build website and click on the button. As we can see now, build, once succeeded, or up to date, not failed. That's always good. We'll just come to our default.aspx, click on the little triangle, and what we can see within here, we can see our default.aspx.cs file. And then what we'll do is we'll just click the file. And what we need to replace now is we just need to replace our account name, and what we also need to replace is our account key. And the last thing to do is just save this off. Now saved off our package file, just come to our bin folder. Within our bin folder, what we should have, or what we should find down here, is we should find information relating to the fact that we're going to use our Windows Azure storage, our authentication, table, and blob information. And what we're looking for here is we're just looking for information relating to Windows Azure storage, which we do have, storage.dll. If we just have a quick look here, in the case of our default.aspx page, what we can see here is we're going to use, we have a look, Windows Azure storage. Now at this point, what we'll do is we'll just come to debug, and what we'll do here is we'll just start debugging. So as we can see now, what we've connected through to is we've connected through to the application we've just created. And as you can see, what we can do here is we can create a new Azure table. And that'll go away. And as you can see, it's processing in the background. We can add an entry to our Azure table. And we can add batch to the Azure table as well. And as you can see, everything we're doing up here is actually doing something down at the bottom here. So we've connected through the storage account. We've added a single row to the customers table for the application that we created. We can also add batches. We can retrieve data from the Azure table as well by clicking on the retrieve button. and it's retrieved Paul and Karen data from the customer table as well. What we can also do as well is we can create a new blob container. We can upload data to that Azure blob container. And what we can also do as well is we can list the content of the blob container. So as we can see here, we can see the information that we've put in there. And that's the end of this demonstration of looking at managing blobs and tables by using a Visual Studio developed app. Thank you.